Hello, John Talley here with boats.net. Today I'm going to walk you through the really simple procedure of changing out the lower gear unit oil on our MerCruiser Bravo One. Now granted, this is an older Outdrive unit, but the same procedure is going to be followed on any of the new ones. So if you're ready, we'll step over and look at the tools and the parts that we're going to use to pull this off. Alright guys, really short list here. All you're going to need on the tool size to pick up a gear lube pump, and the gear lube itself, of course, I recommend the MerCruiser brand or the Mercury brand. Can't go wrong with that because you don't want to put anything in this unit that is not marine rated. Well, now that we've got our tools and our parts together, let me roll this out of the way and I'll show you how to get this done. Let's start by bringing up the Outdrive so it'll drain properly. And we're going to use the trailer switch on this particular boat to accomplish that. Let's start off with our vent screw up top. When you remove it, there should be a gasket or an O-ring. Sometimes it has a tendency to stay up inside the housing, and if you are going to replace it, make sure that you dig the other one out first. Next, let's go for the drain plug. It is down here at the bottom, and there will be a similar gasket in place on it as well. Now, as you're draining this, it's going to give you an idea of what kind of shape your seals are in. So if you drain this and it has kind of a chocolate milk look to it, you're getting water intrusion. This one, I know they had been drained recently, so it's decent fluid, but not the correct type if you notice. The MerCruiser Mercury is typically the blue stuff. This one was changed kind of last minute, and they used what was available. Marine grade, of course, but we're going to be going back with the MerCruiser stuff. So we've got our gear lube ready to go. Just need to insert this down at the fill point, was actually down at the bottom toward the front where that drain plug was. And now we're going to fill it, and what we're going to be doing is filling it up until we start to see a little bit of fluid come out of the vent plug, which is up here at the top. Now it should hold somewhere in between 2.5 to 3 quarts. So off we go. Now is when you need to start watching your vent. I think we're there, getting close. There she goes. All right, first we want to put in our vent plug, and that'll reduce the amount that runs out when we go to install the fill and drain plug. Make sure your gaskets are up under there, which I'd looked and mine are, so we're good to go. Now make sure you've got your fill and drain plug within arm's reach, because once we pull that tube out, it's going to try to run out. So we want to minimize the amount of loss as much as possible. Well, all right guys, that's going to wrap this one up. Pretty simple procedure. Just remember to do this every 100 hours or annually, whichever one comes first. Hopefully it's every 100 hours. Well, listen, if you need these parts or tools or anything else for your boat, why don't you come see us at boats.net and we can get you taken care of. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the section below and I'll do my best to answer them. And hey, if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you can keep up with whatever I'm working on next. We just want to say thank you for shopping here with us at boats.net, and we will see you in the next video. Y'all have a great day.